All right, Liam, I'm going to finish doing those problems. See how fast we can get through this. So I still have 8, 9, 10, and 11, I think, to do. One thing you don't seem to understand, I'm guessing, is that if we you're not always going to get integer solutions to your algebraic problems. So here, we're going to add 7m to both sides to get all my m's on the left, and we're going to subtract 22 from both sides to get my constants on the right side of the equation. I'm going to do that all at once. That's going to give me 22m equals -4. Do I like those numbers? Not really, but it is what it is. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 22 to get m by itself, and we get m equals -4 over 22, which can be reduced to -2 over 11. That's that problem. Then I'm going to do the next one. Problem 9, and it looks that 9, let me see. 9's a little different. Because here, I've got 3x on the left, I've got the same amount of x's on the right, but my two constants are different. 7 there, 14 there. If I try to get all my x's on one side of the equation, I'm going to subtract 3x from both sides, and I'm going to have 0x plus 7 equals 14 plus 0x, and I don't need to write the 0x. I can just say that means 7 equals 14. Not true. No solution. That is 9. Let's keep going. We'll do 10. So now we're back to word problems. And I got to figure out how to just erase the thing all at once, but all right. So now we're going to do 10. And that is, Shirley is going to have the exterior of her house painted. And the cost is $250. I'm going to go ahead and say the cost equals $250 plus $14. If we wanted to, we could make our variable h for hours, or we could make it x or anything we want. Okay, so that's the first place. The second place charges something different. Charges just $22 per hour. How many hours would the job need to take for Tim's to be the better deal? And Tim's was the first one, I think. Yeah, we'll call that Tim's, and we'll call the second one colorful. So we're going to set the two things equal to each other, and we'll see what happens. So Tim's is $250 plus $14 an hour, and colorful is $22 an hour. If we try to solve that for h, we're going to subtract 14h from both sides, and we're going to get 250 equals 8h. And if we do the math, that is going to be 31 and 1/4 hours would make them equal. As soon as if you think about it, they just became equal at 31 1/4 hours. It started off with Tim's being more expensive because it was $2.50 right off the bat with Tim's. So now, once you get past 31 1/4 hours, Tim's becomes a better deal. So Tim is better after 31 1/4 hours. So that is that problem. Now we are going to continue. So that was 10. I think we just have one more. All right. So for 11, two different travel agencies, so it looks like a similar type problem. ABC offers a plane ticket for $295 and a rental car for $39. So that's $295. We're going to call that the cost of A for ABC is $295 plus $39 a day. And M&N, so we'll call that cost of M, is $350 and $33 per day. What is the minimum number of days that she should vacation for M&N to be a better deal? Again, it starts off being ABC starts off being the better deal, but then you end up paying a little more per day. So we're going to do what we do all the time, which is set the two equations equal to each other. I'm going to collect all my D's on the left, so I'm going to subtract 33D from both sides. That's going to give me 6D on the left, and I'm going to subtract that 295 from both sides, get all my constants on the right, and I'm going to divide by 6, and that's going to be 9 1/6. So for M&N to be a better deal, he's got to rent the car for more than 9 days, which means D has to equal 10 for it to be a better deal, because you can't rent for part of a day. All right, that's that, Liam. I'll talk to you later. Hope that helped. Bye.